overreacting about?
Number 10.
Within seconds, the ocean turned into a wall of destruction.
Hey,
Number 9.
Slowly but relentlessly, molten lava moves forward, swallowing everything in its path.
Number 8.
What starts as a small crack in the snow suddenly transforms into a massive avalanche racing down the mountain.
Number 7.
You can see this magnificent tornado unleashing the terrifying power of nature.
Number 6.
After hours of freezing rain, entire neighborhoods become trapped under a thick layer of solid ice.
Number 5.
Yo. Oh my god. He's like, what the overreacting about?
Number 4.
at your feet.
Oh my god! Oh god! God, no!
Mamo. Oh, that's scary. That's scary as
Number 3.
20 forward, forward. Stop. Please. Just go forward.
Before we continue, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more incredible moments. Thank you.
Number 2.
He showed them who's boss. He was clearly fed up with the visitors.
Number 1. And a bonus video for you.